Okay, this is the pad missing on CPU. Okay, now let's show FoneKong, this FoneKong straight tip. Okay, FoneKong straight tip. How to make jumper with FoneKong straight tip on the pads. Okay, let's begin. Put a little bit flux. Temperature 360. Temperature 360, okay? And let's see. Wire, FoneKong tip. Done. One shot done. Look here. Very nice. Very nice. Cut it. Add a little. Clean it. Look. Perfect. You see, it's perfect here. Make a circle. Make a circle. 打一个圈就可以。Look. Very nice. Okay, look, very nice. This is FoneKong straight tip, same quality as JBC tips.